Hey guys, let's play PSG today. On today's show I'll be doing some pack openings. I'll be putting £25 into my account and opening all the packs I can with that money. I'll be keeping the good players and discarding the rest. Let's go. Just firing FIFA up now. Let's hope for the best. Wonder who I'll get. Okay. Don't care, go away. Hurry up. Loading. Ultimate team. Okay, so you've got 1,000 coins and then my squad. No one. Okay. Let's go store. Price packs. So we can go the 150 coin ones. Add FIFA points. £25 is 2,000. We'll do 15 first. Then we'll do the $7.99 one, and then we'll stop there. Confirm. Yes. Credit card. And we'll get £20 out. Let's go. Yes. I don't know why the camera quality is so bad today. Let's turn my light off, if that helps. Does that help? Yep, that's better. There we go, let's go open some packs. Let's go! Number 1. Let's go, who are we going to get? Messi, surely. Come on, give me a Messi. Done. Skip. Do I get? No one really that good. Keep that. Oh, I've got a free silver pack. I'll drain that free pack. And we'll sell the rest. So a 1,200 profit off 500. So we'll open this free silver pack and see what we get. Skip. And we've got Shackle and no one else good, so we'll sell that. It was free. We've got 698 coins from a free pack, which isn't that bad. I'll take that. Let's go 150 again. 150 points. Let's go again. Skip. Aquilani, Sissoko and Igbona. Bear with me a minute, guys. So we'll send to club. We're going to keep these players. Just firing up my laptop, so bear with me a minute. Go. And Aquilani. And we'll sell the rest. Let's go again. Another 150 pack. Who do we get? De Sanctus. And the Real Madrid home kit. I'll take that. We'll apply that. Make that our active kit. Yep. And we shall keep the contract, keep this Sanctus, and sell the rest. Oh no, Let's go again. Another 150 pack. No on that. We'll keep contract. Sell the rest. So open another pack. Let's go. Let's keep going. Let's get the lot going. No. Keep the 2 contracts. We'll sell the rest. Let's go again. So we've got, I don't know how many packs left really. Bartra, we'll keep those 2 because I might make a Barcelona squad at some point. We'll keep the 2 good contracts. We'll redeem the 1,000 coins. And then, nope. And we'll sell the rest. Let's go again. Mignolet will keep him. We'll keep the contracts and sell the rest. Keep going, come on. Good hyper. We're gonna get bid out. Are we gonna get bid out? No. Tulan. Tulan? No. Tulalan. We'll keep him. Crescito, he's a brilliant player, so we'll keep him. We'll keep the contracts. And we'll discard the rest. Keep this going. Let's go. Play some music. Let's go again. Oh, no one good. Oh, we've got another free 100,000 coins. In the background, we've got Get Hype playing my Droidica. We'll keep the squad training, so I don't know why I kept that. Redeem those. Get Hyper. Get Hyper. Okay, we've got Sandro there, so we'll keep him. And we'll discard the rest. So we've made about 11k profit. Skip. Let's go. Who do we get? Cole. And Felipe Luis. We'll keep them 2. No, we don't want him. Ah, fuck's sake. No, we won't have the Euro Pentas badge.